Yeah, you see, first this is like 1, 2. So this is exactly like a kick drum, but let's say in the intro of the track, or this is more psytrance. I don't know, hip hop, but in the break, because we have room here. If we don't have machine to kill the reverb, so like for clap, here, this is now room 2 seconds. This is my favorite room for my tracks. So I have in my tracks 2 seconds room, and this is exactly how the ball sounds in the basketball court. It's my room in the music production. Something like this, but then I put something to clean the reverb, something to control the tail of the reverb, but I still have this, I think, 2-3 second pressure. If I make like this is like entering the break, and then let's say long break, like this. So like this is entering the break, or clap. This is in the break, one clap to connect from the one part to the other one, or normal clap. It's again like the ball, it's the same, because it's the same room. We're uniting all the sounds into the same room. So like this. See? It's the same like, okay, harder you punch, longer reverb you create. But in music it's not exactly like this, it's more machines. But it's like, more signal you put, more reverb you have, of course. But the room you decide on the machine. So I always like to have more room, to have the pressure, and then later control the tail with some machine. But yeah, and for example, this can be hi-hat. If I give now 3 points, if I have luck, I give 3 points without touching the ring, this is perfect for hi-hat. So you can take this and put it in hi-hat or in shakers or something like this. Okay, this was not exactly, but you know what I mean. Everyone knows sounds from the basketball. How you call it? Switch. Coach, how you say 3 point without touching the ring? Swish. Swish.